Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Stuti coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, February 8th, 2019. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 13 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's announcements are, hope you remember today's Zero Waste Lunch. Today is Nacho Treat Day. Come down at lunch with your ticket for some yummy nachos. Tonight is movie night at Hoover, starting at 6:30. Now a message from Miss Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Happy Friday. I hope you've had a chance to check out our kindness wall. It is continuing to grow and expand. We have literally almost covered the entire wall with kindness bricks. So keep filling them out and turning them in. And I will tell you that I have personally received kindness cards this week. Thank you, boys and girls. It really makes my day. So I hope you continue to share those kindness cards with all of your classmates, friends, and staff members. I have a huge congratulations. We definitely have a school that rises to a challenge. I found out one of our 4th grade classrooms earned 19 golden tickets. Congratulations, way to go. And I would love to share with you our Smenzel winners from this week. Congratulations to Miss Young, Mariah from room 109, Mateen from 211, Zachariah from 211, and Gabby from 211. Jawad from room 109, Natalie from room 109, Ashita from room 117, Ruby from 117, Revanche from 109, Azan from 106, Charlie from 108, Mrs. Mershan from 105, Peyton from room 205, and from last week, the one day we were in school, Smenzels were earned by Lydia from room 109, Kayleen from 115, and Adam from 120. Congratulations to all of our Smenzel winners. And it wouldn't be Friday without our school song.
Right here.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray.
Hooray! Nice job, guys. Thank you. All right, Hoover, together we shine brighter.
Thank you, Miss Rosenblum. Today's kite flying day. Did you know kites date back to China in 470 BC? This week's announcements were brought to you by the Crazy Candies. Have a fantastic Friday.